Hello students, in some of my previous videos we have understood how we found resistance for the cubical combination of the resistance 12 resistance. So in last video it was for the longest diagonal. Now let us see over here for the face diagonal. So we are talking about face diagonal. So face diagonal for this combination, if you look at the diagram, we have the cubical structure form. So we have equal resistance R everywhere, and this is the face diagonal. Let us say A and H. Okay. Now if A, you find out that if current goes through this particular point, so here the point E, point D, similarly point G and point B, they will be at equipotential point, and as they will be at equipotential point, no current will be passing through it. So this resistance becomes ineffective. That means if you redraw the circuit diagram, you have in this way. So see this arms, it's as if it is not there. I vanished that part and I represent it by a dotted line. Okay, so that is removed because this resistance becomes ineffective. Now looking at the diagram again, so let us redraw this particular part. So R, this resistance is R. So these two resistance are in series. So as these two resistance are in series, similarly these two resistance are in series and these two resistance are in series, with we have this resistance and this resistance. So if you redraw it, it is like this. So R plus R, it is 2R. R plus R, this is what we have R, it is 2R. So this 2R and this 2 are in parallel. Similarly this R and this R, so we have 2R and 2R, these 2 are in parallel, and we have AC, this resistance and this resistance. So if you understand this particular part, the combination of these two resistance becomes R. So we have R, this resistance is R, this resistance is R, and again this resistance is 2R and 2R, it is R. So across A and H, this 3 is in series, whereas this is in parallel. So resistance across is given by the formula 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So 1 upon 3R plus 1 upon R. So that comes RAH, the resistance between phase diagonal, is 3R by 4. Thank you.